Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase noise. First, check your phone Android version and update the Android Auto app. Outdated software breaks handshakes. Next, swap to the original or a high-quality USB cable and inspect both ports for debris. Once done, enable developer options on the phone and turn on USB debugging if prompts persist. This lets you see connection logs and speeds troubleshooting. Make sure the car is parked with the engine on so the head unit stays active. Now you perform the deeper resets that usually fix the middle-of-process failures. Start by forgetting and repairing Bluetooth on both phone and head unit, then remove the vehicle from your phone's saved devices. This clears stale profiles. Next, go to App Settings to clear Android Auto cache and storage and reinstall the app if corruption looks likely. Finally, restart your phone and power cycle the head unit, testing both wired and wireless Android Auto to isolate whether the issue is cable, Bluetooth, or you finish by eliminating the remaining causes and preparing for escalation. Check and install any car head unit firmware updates and ensure the phone system updates are applied because compatibility fixes live there. If problems persist, boot the phone in safe mode or try a different phone to see if a third-party app conflicts with Android Auto. If nothing else works, record exact error messages and consider a factory reset of the head unit as a last resort. It often resolves corrupted system states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.